guys, today I would like to talk about the memorable place that I had been. Flashback when I was 10 years old, I've been to Chattrakan waterfall. It's located in Chattrakan district, Pisnulok province, where is my hometown. The waterfall is consisting of mountainous terrain and mountain ranges. Generally, this climate here is very cold and normally it's very cold at night. This place has 7 floors and in each floor having a name based on a Thai folk drama characters. That story name is Sang Thong. It's ordered from the oldest sister to the youngest sister. People at this place are kind and lovely and like to share things to each other. This is the most memorable place that I had been. It is my first time to speak English with foreigners. They are exchange students who visit here. At the time, I want to improve my English, so I walked over and talked with them. My first foreigner friend name is Iran. He comes from Germany. He was very friendly and kind. He taught me to speak and confident to speak English all the time. So that's why this place is a place that meaning for me, because this place where I could speak English. Thank you.